Hey, what's up, everybody here? Ivan, good morning. It's been a long time since I did a video, so I'm a little bit rusty. So yeah, it's been a long time, years, I think 1, 2 years, I can't recall. But I gotta make this quick video because a lot of people been asking me a lot of questions about YouTube monetization, how I make money. This is my one of my channels that I'm making 10K right now. But usually, you start with 1,000, 100, all depends on the niche that you're promoting or you're making videos. Sorry. Yeah, right now I'm doing this. But yeah. A lot of people been asking me about my channels. They want to see it, but I'm not gonna show them to them. Cause why? Cause later it might not work for me. They're gonna check. I've been showing a lot of stuff on my YouTube channel, my Facebook. That's something I'm supposed to show. Cause people sometimes they copy, model it. They say it's model, but usually it's almost copy. So that's why I'm gonna start bringing a lot of stuff on my YouTube channel, Facebook, on my videos. That's what I mean. But yeah, where I get the channels, if you don't wanna create your own channels, YouTube channels, to monetization, just go to the sites. This one is called accs-marketing.com, just slash YouTube. You just put right here, verify listing, monetization, enable, verify identity, and search. If you don't want to make it, I do both. I create my own, and sometimes I buy them from here. And this is a good site to buy. I have purchased from them, and it's good. They don't, they don't scam you. But yeah, like this one, I don't know. The most that YouTube pays you per CPM, RPM is on the finance or business niche. If you wanna buy this channels like this one, it costs gaming. I don't think YouTube will pay you a lot. It says right here they pay you 600 a month. Uh, I will go with the money niche, money make online niche like forex. What else? Binary options. Make money on niche, business, finance. Because usually this big companies pay you a lot of money, like what's it called, Robinhood or whatever, so they can put ads on your videos. So that's why they pay more on the make money niche. Lawyers too, they pay a lot of money too. Yeah, but if you promote something on the like CPA marketing, doing CPA marketing too, CPA content locking. So I'm buying this channels too, so I can promote videos. Um, so I can put my link on my description. Some people which like this one. Where was this one? The game. I just saw one. The game niche that was paying 600. Well, it's right here. Where is it? I lost it. Friendly, all right here. Games 600 a month. It has a lot of subscribers right here. But yeah, usually gotta make content. If you don't know how to make content, just go to Fiverr. I usually go to Fiverr and tell um, sellers that if you can make a big, I had someone that I'm working with them, and he's making me videos on trending videos. That's the money, trending videos. What's going on right now, the latest. But right here, like game, game videos. I don't know, just I spend a lot of time on Fiverr because I'm usually lazy. I don't like to make my own videos sometimes. I'm making one right now because a lot of people been asking me a lot of questions. So I just send this video and that's it. But yeah, just content right here on Fiverr to create your video, a simple video. They'll create it. I don't know how much they will charge. Very cheap. But you gotta create content on this channel or else you're not gonna make money. And this is another one. Somebody told me about this, a friend, and yeah, he told me it's legit because something like this, platforms, sites, they don't send you the channels and this, and you cannot get back your money back. So be aware of that. But yeah, how I drive traffic to the channels is on I'll do marketing like ExoClick, Plug Rush. I get a lot of views, organic views, and that's why YouTube pays me. This one is good, Plug Rush, Propeller Ads. It's I'll do marketing, I'll do traffic, and when I'm promoting something more like I don't know how to say pills or for I'll do marketing like I promote this a lot. What's it called? Send next killing it on this they sell it on Walmart. People don't even know this one. I have my funnel and everything, so I can promote right here on the. I'll do marketing. I didn't even know about this. Somebody told me. Juicy ads is for I'll do marketing. A lot of people are buying it, and traffic junkie. But that's another topic. I know. I just showing you the traffic sources that I use for monetization on my YouTube channels because you get paid per view. Let me show you how it works, how much I'm getting paid on the channel. It's not one of my channels that be making decent money. I've been having this channel since last year, I think. Testing it, testing because you gotta at first you're not gonna make a lot of money. At first you gotta warm the account. So if you're making like 1,000 on when you buy them from this platforms or like this one 600, you gotta scale up to you gotta warm it to so Google won't find out that you're driving traffic to this sources because sometimes they don't like it. I'm being straight honest because sometimes they don't like it. They say the cheap traffic. And it's very cheap traffic on these platforms. Very cheap. I was gonna log in, but I'm not gonna show. I gotta blur all that stuff. But yeah, let me show you the how I do it right here. So on content, on your videos, this is the first thing you gotta do. Let me show you a sample. Like, let me show you a sample on this video. How much I'm getting paid for 1,000 views. Let me show you this one. I think this is one of my best performers video that I have. Just click on revenue, 7 days. This is what counts, the RPM, and right here, the playback base on CPM. I like getting paid a lot on this video right now, but because I'm testing other channels that I just bought, and I'm making more. But this is the per 1,000 views. This is what I'm getting paid, and this on these platforms, I'm paying like 0.005, like 50 cents per 1,000 views. So this is what they pay me right here, 33 and 61 cents for 1,000 views. So that's good. That's good. That's, I don't know how much, 5x, 10x you calculate. I don't know how much is. But yeah, what you have to do when you get these channels to get more revenue, more, because usually Google pays you for the ads that they put on your videos. So just go to monetize. Usually what I do is just go right here, check all this, overlay ads, sponsor ads, all this, and go right here, manage mid rolls, and I put on every 5 minutes ads. Every 5 minutes. That's why I get in a lot of pay. That's why I get in paid a lot, because I put ads every 5 minutes. It has to be an 8-minute video. I know a lot of people are making money on shorts, YouTube shorts, but that's good. Yeah, they pay if you put an ad like every freaking minute, they will pay you a lot. Their ads, they're usually like banner ads. They go under overlay the video, so it's nothing. I thought they were like before. I thought they were like what's it called? Skip ads. In stream video ads when they play like this one for 5 seconds. I thought they were like that, but no, it's like banner ads, simple stuff. Usually you get paid for all that. So yeah, that's a lot of people being asking me why I make a lot of money on my videos. But yeah, usually it's that I just put 5 minutes on every 5 minutes. I put ads, and that's an ad break. You can see right here. Ad. But yeah, I'm coming with a new course on this. Super, it's the easiest way to make money online. Pay-per-car, it takes time. Content locking, pay-per content locking, and I'll do marketing is more easier. I think the CPM marketing. It's the same, but different strategies. That's what I'm trying to say. Pay-per-car, it takes time. I'm not gonna lie. It takes time. You gotta build pages, funnels, usually more pages. And a lot of people are lazy on that. I already have my team that's doing all that, because me too, I'm lazy. I'm lazy, super lazy. I'm creating HTML sites and all that. I just hired someone on Fiverr. I have my team, and I have people working for me, so it's easy for me. But if you want to do your own, it's kind of hard. It's not. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's true. But yeah, I coming with some new courses, maybe on YouTube monetization, websites. Trying to get on websites too. How to monetize on websites. I know, but usually they YouTube or Google pays you more on videos. Every ad, right here, like I'm showing you right now. But yeah, and I come with a new course. I can't recall right now, but since I'm making this video, but I do my videos on the fly like this and that. I did this video because a lot of people were asking me a lot of questions about YouTube, and I decided to make this video very quick. If you want more in depth on this, hit me up. I might do another videos if people ask me more questions about that question, so I can make another video in this, in that, and explain you more. So yes, thanks for watching this quick video, and see ya. Peace.